In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Framer project to connect a custom domain and remove the watermark seamlessly. Whether you're a professional web designer, a content creator, or someone new to building websites, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and comprehensively. To get started, you'll first need to open Framer. Once you have the program up and running, navigate to your project. You should see your project file ready for editing or any modifications you might want to make. Now, let's move on to adjusting a few settings to accommodate your custom domain. Next, locate the menu button. This is usually represented by an icon in the upper corner of your screen. Clicking it will reveal a list of options. The one you want to select is Site Settings. Within this section, you'll find various settings related to the site you are working on. Look for the Plans tab here. This part of the process is crucial. You'll need to decide whether to select a personal plan or a business plan. Each plan offers its own set of features, so think about what best fits your needs. If you're primarily using Framer for personal projects or showcasing your portfolio, the personal plan might be sufficient. However, if you're managing multiple sites or require more advanced features and support, investing in a business plan could be more advantageous. Behind plans lies another necessary step, which is connecting your custom domain. To do this, find the Domain option on the left side of your screen within the same menu. Clicking on this will present you with the options necessary to enter your custom domain name. This part is essential for branding and ensures that your website reflects your personal touch. By connecting your domain, you provide a unique and professional edge to your digital presence. It's important to note that upgrading your plan is essential if you wish to remove the Framer watermark. This watermark might be acceptable in some early stage or experimental projects, but for a polished and professional look, removing it is usually preferred. Upgrading is the path to untethering your website by enhancing its credibility and aesthetics. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember that these steps pave the way for a more personalized and professional online presence. While the upgrade and connection processes may require some investment, the benefits it brings to your brand's professionalism and visibility can be substantial. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on maximizing your Framer experience.